2003 Nike Air Force 2s, and you can see they need to be de-yellowed. That's oxidation on the sole. I'll show you how to get rid of it. You need Salon Care 40 volume cream, a paintbrush, and your shoe. Be careful with this, it will burn your fingers if you touch it. So I recommend wearing gloves. Paintbrush right here. On the Air Force 2s, make sure you don't get it on the leather. It will eat away at the leather. So just keep it on the rubber sole and we're good. I might put it on this back right here. This back is also yellowed, you can see as well. Dip your brush. Get it on the sole. Next step, leave it in the sun. You need UV rays for the magic of the hydrogen peroxide to work. So I'm leaving it in the sun and I'm gonna check up on it every 30 minutes or so. All right, I also did my shadows. I applied all that on there. I'll leave it out in the sun with the Air Force 2s. And I'm gonna check up on them in about 30 minutes as well. All right, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back and check. You can already see that the yellowing has gone away significantly. This is the side that's done. This side has not been done. And also on the back panel, it's worked a little well. I'm gonna put it close side by side with the other shoe. It's a pretty big difference. I'm gonna leave it out for another 30 more minutes and try to see if it gets lighter. Like after like an hour, maybe like an hour and a half. I lost track, but wow. This is completely night and day difference. Like I did mix up the hydrogen peroxide a little bit so it didn't get too dry. But if you turn it around, 180. This is clean. This is old and beat. And you can also see it in the back panel as well. This is oxidized. This is deoxidized. And I guess during that time of waiting, I did this other side of the shoe, but you can see obviously on both pairs, this difference. It's the power of hydrogen peroxide and UV rays. So the sun is going down. I've done pretty much all these shoes, like I've deoxidized them, they're all yellow. But the Air Force 2s have turned out beautiful. I could probably try to get it in the sun just to show off just a little bit, but yeah. I did both the back panels. They look amazing. I wasn't really expecting this, honestly. And the shadows, I have laced them up and completely brought them back to normal as well. So these are also the shadows that used to be yellow. I could probably put it in the shade, probably see better, but yeah, 2009 shadows. These did not look pretty when I got them. I was careful and made sure I did not put it on the mid or the suede or this nubuck right here. Hydrogen peroxide is not friendly on fake or organic material. Fake as in like this leather is not real, so like, but still it's not good. It's like if you get this on, if you get the hydrogen peroxide, that 40 volume on your skin, it will turn your fingers white and it'll make them smell really bad. It's because basically like burning your fingers. I've also done on these used to be yellow, now they're white. And also these 1989 Driving Force. They looked awful, but now they look good. Hydrogen peroxide, 40 volume, it works.